Get a free copy of Altium software using the link provided in this video description. When you sign up for an Altium Designer free trial, you will get an Altium 365 and 25% off discount. Hello and welcome to a new project. Today we will learn how to design a PCB in Altium Designer. The circuit that we want to build is a speaker, so we will start from schematic to a PCB, and finally we will get a 3D view like this. So let's get started. First we will create a new project, so we will go to File, New Project, then we will change the project name to Speaker. Then we will select the folder and hit Create. Now we want to add a schematic and PCB files to the same project file. Then we will save the two files at the same location of the project. Then we will go to the schematic sheet. This is the circuit that we want to build. So we need LM386 and speaker, some capacitors and resistor. So we will go to manufacture part search and get the component. First we need LM386, right click, then place. Then we need the speaker. Now we will connect all the components according to the circuit. If you notice, there is an error because there is a many components have the same name. To solve that error, you have to go to Tools, Annotation Schematic, then we will update the change list, then accept the change, validate, execute, then close. Now the error is gone. If you want to know more information about any component in the circuit, you have to go to Octopart website and read the datasheet of that component. Now we will convert the schematic circuit to a PCB. So we will go to Design, Update PCB document, then Validate the changes, then Execute the changes, then Close. Now we will select all the components and drag it to the workspace. Then we will delete the room and rearrange the component as you like. Now we will change the board shape. So we will go to View, Board Planing Mode, then we will go to Design, Edit Board Shape, then we will change the board to fit all the components. Now we want to draw the cover tracks between the components. So we will go to Route, Auto Route, All, then we will select Route All. Now we want to add a polygon to the circuit. So we will go to Tools, Polygon Boards, Polygon Manager, then we will select Board Outline, then we will connect the polygon to the ground. We want to remove the dead cover and select Bore over all SameNet object. Apply. OK. Then we will do the same thing with bottom layer. Now we want to view a 3D model of the circuit. So we will go to View, 3D Layout, and this is the final shape we got. Hopefully this video will be useful for you, and thank you for listening.
This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.